Amy. Today I will talk about Earth cycle. Question 1. What is cycle? A cycle is repeating or flowing out connected events. Question 2. What does natural cycle mean? A natural cycle repeating or flowing out natural events. Question 3. How are Earth species connect? The Earth species connect by dirt, rock, soil, and mineral. Question 4. Describe Earth cycle. The water cycle shows how the movement of water affects the water system. Question 5. How does the water cycle affect the water we drink? In life beneath the water, like this. This make with this song. Thanks for listening.